Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey at Truck Market. I've got a 2015 Freightliner Coronado Triaxle Daycab to show you. A little different, a little heavier than normal. This one's got 16 fronts, 46 rears. Does have the 12.7 pre-emission Detroit and 18 speed. Got it hot this morning. Gonna do a full walk around for you. Show you what this thing is. Does have a wet kit on it as well. Full lockers. Total miles are 637 and change, and then it's got about 100,000 miles on a overhaul with paperwork. So super smooth through the RPMs. Oil pressure jumps up like it should. Nice clean interior for especially for the miles. You can see the head doesn't have many miles on it just from the discoloration there. Fully bar looks normal as well. Good look, dual stacks. Only body or paint damage I see on this one is going to need that bottom row there replaced, which is pretty easy. If we take that over and get it done, it's got a small crack on its backside fender as well, so not a big deal. But other than that, body and paint looks really good. This one does have an L-shaped double frame from the back up to just underneath the cab. Good brakes. All aluminum slider. Harder to find a glider kit in a triaxle, a little beefier like this. So if you got questions on it, definitely feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.